Finally, we endure in love. In times of crisis, the temptation is to draw up the drawbridges and curl in on yourself. Remember that panic buying during the pandemic. I want to get all of those loo rolls, all mine. Enduring in love means that we do not forget the suffering in our society. We reach out to the people who are lonely, even when it seems pointless and foolish, even when we risk rejection. Because we do believe that in the end, love will have the victory. As Peter Marshall said 100 years ago, it's better to fail in a cause that will ultimately triumph than to triumph in a cause that will ultimately fail. So in this difficult time, may we endure. May we endure in our faith, in our hope, and in our love, because it's by endurance that we will gain our lives.